Hello बच्चों, the question is both hepatitis B and AIDS are option A caused by retrovirus, option B transmitted through the sexual contact, option C congenital disease and option D transmitted through the infected blood. So see, hepatitis B, hepatitis B. Now hepatitis B and the AIDS. Hepatitis B is caused by your hepatitis virus. Hepatitis virus. Okay. Whereas AIDS is caused by your HIV virus. Now, the HIV virus are belong from your retroviruses. In hepatitis B, your liver are infected, whereas HIV will infect first your macrophage cell, where it will replicate and forms a more number of cells, and then it will replicate your T helper cells, due to which the T helper cells are reduced, and the condition is called your immunodeficient. Immunodeficient. Okay. Now both these disease, that is your hepatitis B and AIDS, are actually your infectious disease. Are actually the infectious disease, means the disease which can spread from one infected person to another person. So that disease is called your infectious disease. So hepatitis B and AIDS both are your infectious disease, and the mode of infection are through the sexual contact with the infected person, through the sexual contact with the infected person, with the infected person, through the blood transfusion, through the blood transfusion, through the blood transfusion, and through the transfer of viruses from mother into the fetus, through the placenta, through the placenta. Okay, so these are some mode of infection through which the infectious disease like is hepatitis B and AIDS can transfer from one person to another person. So option B and D both are correct. Option B and D both are the correct answer. Okay. Now let's see the other question. Other option, sorry. Caused by the retrovirus. Yes, AIDS is caused by the retrovirus. That is your HIV. Belongs from the retrovirus, which has a RNA genome. Which has a RNA has a genome with reverse transcriptase enzyme. With reverse transcriptase enzyme. Yes, but your hepatitis B is not your retrovirus. So this is not your option. Congenital disease. Now what do you mean by congenital disease? Disease which is present from birth. Disease which is present from birth. This is called a congenital disease, like your uh, congenital heart disease. Congenital heart disease, color blindness, congenital heart disease, color blindness. See, all these are called your congenital disease because this is present from birth only. Okay, so this is not also your right answer because hepatitis B and AIDS are infectious disease which can spread from one person to another when they are in sexual contact with infected person through the blood transfusion from the infected. If the blood is transfused from the infected persons, so the individual may get infected by the hepatitis B and your AIDS also, or by the mother to fetus through the placenta. So option B and D both are your right answer. I hope you will understood this concept. Thank you and best of luck.